correct equation. So we need to simplify this thing because the numerator is a quadratic formula. So we need to say a limit when x is approaching 4, then I'm going to open two brackets, x plus or minus. So here we're going to have 3, here we're going to have 4, all over x minus 4. Can put this inside the bracket. So we need to cancel this one and this one. So our answer is limit when x is approaching 4 of x plus 3. So we can do the direct substitution. So it's going to be 4 plus 3, which is 7. So our limit is 7. Okay, let's move to, let's submit this question, let's submit this answer first. So we are going to Siyavula, then our answer is 7. Then let's check if it's correct. Okay, here, correct. So let's go to our next question. Our next question, we are given limit when y is approaching negative 2. Okay, let me write it down. So question 2, we are given limit when y is approaching negative 2 of y squared minus 4 divided by y plus 2. So this one is the same thing. You need to do what? You need to say limit when y is approaching negative 2. Okay, the reason why for this one you're not going to do direct substitution is because if you substitute negative 2 to this one, our denominator is going to be 0, and any number divided by 0 is 0. So we're trying to simplify this thing so that it does not give us an error. Okay, this one is the difference of two squares, so we're going to say y minus 2, then y plus 2, all over y plus 2. So we can simply cancel this and this one out. Okay. Okay. So our answer is going to be limit when x, when y, I'm used to x. I don't know why always x. When y is approaching negative 2 or y minus 2. So here we can do direct substitution. So it's going to be negative 2 minus 2. So our final answer is going to be negative 4. So let's submit our answer. So let's negative 4. Correct. Okay. Let's go to the next question. So guys, the Siyavula is for free. Anyone can just join and do millions of questions. So this is what I use in order to manage to understand math better. Okay, for this one, there's a determine the value for both of the limits given below. So here we're given limit when x is approaching 5 of what negative 9. So this one, the answer is simple negative 9. Why? Because we can't substitute 5. There is no x into this equation. So there's the constant, which is negative 9. So we simply take the constant. It's going to be negative 9. So, okay, for this one, can we do direct substitution? Yes, we can do. Why? Because when we substitute x, it's going to what? It's going to give us 3. So we can divide the number by 3. So let's do the direct substitution. So our answer is going to be what? It's going to be 1 over 3. 1 over 3. Okay, let's submit our answer. Oh, what's wrong? Oh, sorry. Okay, it's 1 over 3. Yes, our answer is 1 over 3 and negative 9. Okay, let's check this one. What happens when you try to evaluate the following expression? Okay, for this expression, if we try to evaluate the expression, uh, this one we can simplify this expression. Already simplified. So what happens when we do direct substitution? We're going to get our denominator to be 0. And if we divide any number by 0, is what is undefined. So meaning this limit is undefined. So the answer, let's choose, the expression become undefined. That's our answer. Yes, correct. Our expression become undefined. The solution is this one. So when we do direct substitution, it's going to be 1 minus 1. So which become 1 over 0. Become undefined. So